Hey guys, John here, and it's that time again, time to draw a giveaway. And this time we're drawing the winners for I visited the biggest tool shop in the UK, and that was ITS down in Harlow. Now it's a pretty cool prize bundle from there because I got 4 pint glasses, an ITS hat, an ITS multi-card tool. This is like 40 tools in one, size of a credit card, plus a keyring bottle opener, all from ITS, and we got 5 of those bundles. So pretty cool little prize pack. The 4 pint glasses I think are pretty exceptional. Always good to have a few extra pint glasses. Now all you had to do to enter into that giveaway was drop a comment on that video, make sure you subscribed, and 464 people did exactly that. So let's draw our 5 winners. First up, we've got Bunny73. He said, didn't know this place even existed. Well, you found out from that video and hopefully you visited, picked up some tools. So Bunny73, you are our first winner. Second up, we've got David Dace NG, and he says, love Thor hammers myself. So do I. Thor hammers made in the Midlands. They have actually invited us to their factory to even make a hammer, and I think that is something we're gonna have to do very soon. So I'm excited to go and check out their factory. Always nice to know there's still tools made in the UK. Third winner is William Cook, and he says, thank you, keep them coming. Well, we did. We've actually done a follow-up to that video. We visited the new biggest ITS tool shop in the UK, and that one is in Chelmsford. If you want to see that video, we'll link it up here. And that was a look behind the scenes, actually, while they were setting up the store, and we did a shadow foam display, so that was pretty cool. So congratulations, William Cook. Let's go for our 4th winner. Fourth up, we've got Cam Winston, and he says, went to ITS on Saturday. It was great. So good to be able to hold the tools and get a feel for them. Changed my mind on the Veto bag I was going to go for after seeing it in the flesh. A British tool company you could visit is Fisco, now owned by Hulterforce, but British-made tape measures. Yes, I have heard of them, Fisco. They make tape measures for a few other brands as well, don't they? So they white label some tape measures. And I do think a visit to them, seeing some tape measures made in the UK would be very exciting. So Cam Winston, you are our 4th winner, and congratulations. Thanks for the comment. That's what I like to see, some nice long comments, talking about tools, giving me video ideas. I love it. So thanks very much, Cam. So for our 5th and final winner, we've got Hassel Den, and he says, I will definitely visit soon. All I wanted was a place to see tools in person. Just wish they stocked Ryobi. They've got a lot of brands. Maybe Einhell is the closest thing to Ryobi they stock, but they've got a huge range to look at, get your hands on. So definitely head down there, Hassel Dan. And congratulations to all 5 of our winners. And don't worry if you missed out, because we've still got loads of active giveaways on the channel. So head over to John O'Shone, watch some of our latest videos. You'll see most of our videos have got a giveaway in them, and they're always bundles of 5 like this. So there's loads of chances to win. Head over to John O'Shone, subscribe, drop some comments, and I'll see you over there.